Welcome to Syrian Eats. Today I am showing you a very healthy and traditional Syrian recipe. It is called tabouleh, and these are our ingredients. This is a very easy and simple way to make our traditional salad. What we're going to need here is I have 5 bunches of flat leaf Italian parsley. So for every bunch is a person. So I'm having a get together tomorrow, and let's say I'm having 5 people. So for every person, I count 1 bunch to be for a person, for a serving. And we have our tomatoes. You can add more if you like more tomatoes, or you can add less. And then I have our 6 lemons. These are to design on the top. I have 1 small onion, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of dried mint, 1 teaspoon of allspice, and 1/3 of a cup of fine bulgur wheat. These are our ingredients today, and I will show you how to make it step by step. Okay, so I'm going to show you how we are going to pick our parsley and how we're going to chop it up. And I'm going to show you how I start it out. So we're not going to wash it first. We're going to wash it after it's been chopped. You're going to take your parsley. We don't want the stems. You're going to bunch them up like this, kind of like a tree. Or leaves that don't look very nice to put in your salad, throw those away. Do not include them in this bunch. And you're going to keep on putting them together just like this until you have a little tree. And I like to do half a bunch at a time just because it's a lot easier for me to chop up. So I got my half bunch. This is what it's going to look like. All the stems are going to be on the bottom, and you're just going to have the leaves on the top, just like this. And I am left-handed, so I'm going to be chopping up with my left hand. Please be careful. Do not hurt yourself using a knife, and do not cut yourself, please. So what we're going to do is we're going to get to as close as we can to the leaves, and we're going to chop it just like this. And we're going to throw this part away. And you're going to keep on holding them still, and you're going to try to chop it up as fine as possible as you can. Please be careful. Do not hurt your fingers. Okay, and to get it a little bit finer, what I do is I go back and do this to it in the end. Because the finer it is, the better it's going to taste whenever we make our salad. We don't want big pieces of parsley in our mouth. And that's how you chop up your parsley. I'll show you how we're going to wash our parsley. Our bulgur wheat here. I'm going to show you how we are going to soak it. We have to soak it up before we can put it in our salad. And you need to soak it for at least half an hour before you need it. The longer you soak it, the better. I have here 1 teaspoon of salt. Nice. And we're going to put some paprika. I'll show you how much I'm going to put. Just about like that. And after you mix it up, when you make the salad, if it needs more salt, you can always add more. And then here is our 1 cup of lemon juice. Those lemons were very big. I went ahead and just used 3 lemons for right now. The 3 lemons made 1 cup of lemon juice. If our bulgur needs some more juices, we can always add some more. So I'm gonna go ahead and put our lemon in here. And we are gonna mix that up, just like this. And we're gonna let it sit for at least an hour. We're gonna drain our parsley, and we're gonna place it in our bowl here. And I went ahead and diced the tomatoes. Try to dice them as fine as you can. So now we're gonna add our diced onion into our tabouleh. And our bulgur wheat has been soaking for about 2 hours, and this is what it looks like. This is what you want it to look like. It needs to expand, and you don't want it to be dry. You still want to have juices in it. If it is dry, go ahead and add some more lemon juice. So I'm going to go ahead and add our bulgur wheat. And then we're going to go ahead and mix it all up together. And go ahead and taste it. If it needs more salt, you can go ahead and add that. And then we're going to drizzle some olive oil on it, mix it up, and then it's ready to dish up and serve. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed my video.